Turmeric is a spice that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, and has become increasingly popular in the health and wellness industry in recent years. This golden yellow spice, commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine, contains a compound called curcumin that is believed to have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The purpose of this video is to explore the potential health benefits of turmeric, with a focus on its active ingredient, curcumin. We will also discuss methods of consumption, potential risks and precautions, and the historical and cultural use of turmeric. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of why turmeric has become such a popular natural remedy and how it may benefit your overall health and well-being. Let us discuss the key active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is the key active ingredient in turmeric that is responsible for many of its potential health benefits. Curcumin is a polyphenol compound that has been shown to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help to neutralize these harmful molecules, reducing their damaging effects on the body. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties are equally impressive, as inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation has been linked to conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin has been shown to reduce inflammation by blocking the activity of certain enzymes and molecules involved in the inflammatory response. Research has also suggested that curcumin may have additional health benefits, such as improving brain function and potentially delaying age-related cognitive decline. Some studies have also shown that curcumin may help to prevent or manage chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. However, it's important to note that the amount of curcumin in turmeric is relatively low, typically around 3% by weight. This means that in order to obtain the potential health benefits of curcumin, higher doses or concentrated forms of the compound may be necessary. Additionally, curcumin is not well absorbed by the body, so consuming turmeric with black pepper or taking supplements formulated with enhanced absorption may help to increase its bioavailability. Turmeric, and specifically its active ingredient curcumin, has been linked to numerous health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits of turmeric. Anti-inflammatory effects and relief of joint pain. Curcumin's potent anti-inflammatory properties may help to reduce inflammation and relieve pain associated with conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Possible prevention or management of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Curcumin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Improved brain function and potential to delay age-related cognitive decline. Curcumin has been shown to boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that is important for the growth and survival of brain cells. Studies suggest that curcumin may improve brain function and memory, and may even help to delay age-related cognitive decline. Skin health benefits such as reducing acne and eczema symptoms. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the skin, potentially improving the appearance of skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Potential benefits for digestive health, including reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and improving gut health. Curcumin may help to reduce inflammation in the gut, potentially improving symptoms of IBS and other digestive disorders. Additionally, curcumin may help to support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which is important for overall gut health. It's important to note that while research has shown promising results for the potential health benefits of turmeric, more studies are needed to confirm these findings and determine optimal dosages and forms of consumption. So how can we consume turmeric? Turmeric can be consumed in a variety of ways, including as a spice in cooking, as a supplement, as a tea or beverage, and as a topical treatment for skin conditions. When consuming turmeric, it's important to keep in mind that the active ingredient curcumin is not well absorbed by the body, and it's recommended to consume turmeric with black pepper or take supplements formulated for improved absorption. While turmeric is generally considered safe when consumed in food or supplement form, it's important to be aware of potential risks and precautions, such as interactions with medications and gastrointestinal issues. While turmeric is generally considered safe, there are some potential risks and precautions to be aware of. Turmeric may interact with certain medications and should be used with caution or avoided if you are taking these medications. It may also cause gastrointestinal issues, particularly when consumed in high doses. Allergic reactions to turmeric are rare but possible. Some turmeric products may be contaminated with heavy metals, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should talk to their healthcare provider before taking turmeric supplements. It's recommended to talk to a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric into your diet or supplement regimen. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and its popularity has grown in recent years due to its potential health benefits. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been linked to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, potential prevention or management of chronic diseases, improved brain function, and benefits for skin and digestive health. While turmeric is generally considered safe when consumed in food or supplement form, it's important to be aware of potential risks and precautions, such as interactions with medications and gastrointestinal issues. It's recommended to talk to a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric into your diet or supplement regimen. Overall, while more research is needed to confirm the potential health benefits of turmeric, it can be a flavorful and potentially beneficial addition to a healthy diet and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. By hitting the subscribe button, you'll be notified every time we post a new video, so you never miss out on the latest information and insights. Your support means the world to us and helps us to create even better content in the future. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.